All right, so you just unboxed your PowerZone Connect Pro and you're looking to connect to it. So let's dive in and take a look. All right, first and foremost, we're gonna navigate over to sonance.com. And actually what we'll do is we'll link this page directly in the description below. So you can go ahead and just access them real quick, right? So once you get on this page, you're gonna scroll down a bit until you get to your choice, right? So you can either download PowerZone Control Center for Mac or PC, which is super cool. I'm gonna go ahead and download it for Mac and I'm gonna open it up. Okay, so here we are in PowerZone Control Center. And as you can see on the left-hand side, we can see under amps, this is the unit that is currently connected via LAN to the network, right? So I have a 600.2 PowerZone Connect Pro. Out of the box, these are DHCP, right? So as long as your computer is configured to DHCP and they're connected on the same network, for example, in this case, I have a simple switch on my desk, my Mac connected to that switch, my amplifier connected to that switch, both are in DHCP. I run the application and boom, here we go. Now, if you don't see it right away, click on refresh and it'll pop up, right? Once you get to that amp, just click on that amp. In this case, it is the 600.2. And there we go. We're inside the amplifier. You are now connected and you're ready to actually set this up. Now, the other cool thing is you can use any device to connect to this unit via Wi-Fi and a browser. Very simple. So I'm going to stay on my Mac in this case. You can do it on your iPhone. You can do it on your Android device. Doesn't matter, right? You're going to want to look for the device in your available Wi-Fi networks. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down until I see Sonance PZCP, which is PowerZone Connect Pro 600.2. I'm going to go ahead and connect. By the way, that's defaulted. Password is just simply password by default, and you can change this, of course. So I'm going to type in password. I'll click on show so you guys can see it. Click OK. And then once I'm there, I'm going to go ahead and open up a browser and then connect to it that way. Okay, now here we are back into the browser. I'm on Chrome, by the way. You can use any browser you want. Doesn't matter. I'm going to go ahead and open up a new tab, right? I'm going to then type in 192.168.4.1. Click on enter, and there we go. Now I'm connected wirelessly via any browser you want to get into an individual amplifier. It's that easy. The only difference here, if you're working with a multi-amp setup, this will not show every single amp. That's why PowerZone Control Center is that much more powerful, but this is just a fast way to get into it and configure the unit in real time without being physically connected to the device.